Welcome to AI Unraveled, the podcast that demystifies frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence and keeps you up to date with the latest AI trends. Join us as we delve into groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. From the latest trends in ChatGPT and the recent merger of Google Brain and DeepMind, to the exciting developments in generative AI, we've got you covered with a comprehensive update on the ever-evolving AI landscape. In today's episode, we'll cover OpenAI providing a guide for teachers using ChatGPT in the classroom, Google DeepMind's co-founder urging enforcement of AI standards and tackling the opioid epidemic, Google AI introducing WeatherBench 2 for weather forecasting models, AI predicting smells for food and cleaning industries, OpenAI expanding with guides and partnerships, and the ease of starting a podcast with hyper-realistic AI voices using the Wondercraft AI platform. OpenAI has recently released a guide specially designed for teachers who want to incorporate ChatGPT into their classrooms. This comprehensive guide includes suggested prompts, explanations about ChatGPT's functionality and limitations, and insights into AI detectors and bias. It even highlights success stories of educators who have successfully utilized ChatGPT to enhance student learning. If you're a teacher looking to get started, the guide also provides helpful prompts to kickstart your journey. And if you have any questions, OpenAI has you covered with their FAQ section, where you can find additional resources and answers to common inquiries about teaching with and about AI. But why is this important, you may wonder? OpenAI's dedication to empowering teachers with valuable resources and insights allows for more effective use of ChatGPT in classrooms, ultimately benefiting students' learning experiences. Competitors like Bard, Bing, and Claude might feel the pressure to provide similar comprehensive guidance to educators. Failing to do so could put them at a disadvantage in the increasingly competitive AI education market. Now, let's take a look at how teachers are leveraging ChatGPT in their classrooms. Dr. Helen Crompton, a professor of instructional technology, encourages her students to use ChatGPT as a stand-in for different personas during role-playing exercises. By engaging in challenging conversations, students gain a deeper understanding of the subject matter from different perspectives. Another educator, Fran Bellas, utilizes ChatGPT as an assistant to help create quizzes, tests, and lesson plans based on the curriculum. By feeding the curriculum into ChatGPT, teachers can generate fresh ideas and ensure inclusivity and accessibility for the students. Dr. Anthony Casiboni, the head of research at the University of Johannesburg, highlights how ChatGPT is a valuable tool for non-English speakers by assisting with translation, improving English writing skills, and facilitating conversation practice. Lastly, Geetha Venugopal, a high school computer science teacher, teaches her students about critical thinking by encouraging them to approach ChatGPT's answers with skepticism. She advises students to confirm information through multiple sources and develop their critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity skills. In a world where AI is becoming increasingly prevalent, teaching students how to responsibly use AI tools is as important as teaching them how to navigate the internet. OpenAI's efforts to provide guidance and support to teachers in incorporating ChatGPT into their classrooms are instrumental in preparing students for the AI-driven future. Hey everyone! In some interesting news, Mustafa Suleyman, co-founder of Google DeepMind, is urging the U.S. to enforce AI standards. He believes that NVIDIA's AI chips should only be sold to buyers who agree to use them ethically. Suleyman suggests that global AI usage standards should be enforced, and he even recommends that NVIDIA chip consumers commit to these standards. This comes at a time when export restrictions of AI chips are expanding to various regions. Moving on to another topic, it seems that Anguilla's UpAI domain is turning into a digital gold mine. Due to increased interest from tech companies, the island's economy, which heavily relies on tourism, could generate up to $30 million in revenue this year. Registrars are paying a fixed fee for registrations, and the popularity of the domain has skyrocketed since the release of OpenAI's ChatGPT. In fact, there has been a doubling of .ai domain registrations in the past year. In AI development news, Meta has introduced a privacy setting that allows users to request not to use their data for training AI models. However, there may be limitations based on the user's country of residence and specific data types. This move highlights the ongoing conversation around data privacy and AI. Lastly, let's talk about Google's Gemini AI. With an IQ of 155, it's certainly smart enough. But there's one important aspect that needs improvement: reducing the hallucination rate. Gemini currently has a hallucination rate of about 10%, which is a limitation. The goal is to lower it to 5% or even less. If Google can achieve this, Gemini will prove to be more powerful than other models in real-world applications. It's an exciting development, and we'll see how well Google has done when Gemini is released before the new year. Now, let's dive into the potential game changer for tackling the opioid epidemic: AI. Experts are turning to advanced technology such as AI to combat this stubborn and complex crisis. It's an ongoing battle, but there's hope that AI could provide innovative solutions to help overcome the challenges posed by the opioid epidemic. That's it for today's news roundup. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of AI. The opioid crisis has been a serious issue, with over 1 million overdose deaths since 1999. Traditional methods of prevention and regulation have not been successful in tackling this problem. However, there is a glimmer of hope with the advancements in artificial intelligence. AI is playing a pivotal role in various aspects of addressing the crisis. It is being used to identify individuals who are at risk, monitor their treatment progress, and even predict the likelihood of relapse. One interesting way AI is being utilized is through the analysis of social media behavior. By decoding patterns and recognizing troubling signs, early interventions can be made. Additionally, there are exciting developments in wearable devices. These devices, powered by AI technology, can actually detect symptoms of an overdose and initiate life-saving treatment automatically. This can make a significant difference in saving lives. It's important to acknowledge that AI comes with its own set of challenges. Privacy concerns arise when facial recognition technology is used, as it could lead to discrimination. Moreover, there is a risk of false data being fed into chatbots, potentially causing harm. To ensure that AI contributes positively rather than becoming a dystopian threat, it is essential to build trust in its application and ensure responsible deployment. Striking the right balance between innovation and ethical considerations will be key in the fight against the opioid crisis. Did you know that machine learning, ML, has been playing an increasingly important role in weather forecasting? It's true. In fact, ML models have become so accurate that they can now compete with traditional physics-based models. This exciting progress has the potential to greatly improve the precision of weather forecasts worldwide. To help facilitate further advancements in this field, Google, DeepMind, and the European Center for Medium-Range Weather Forecasts have recently introduced WeatherBench 2. It's a benchmarking and comparison framework specifically designed for evaluating and comparing different weather prediction models. One of the key features of WeatherBench 2 is its thorough replica of the ERA5 dataset, which is widely used to train ML models. Additionally, there's an open source evaluation code, as well as publicly available ground truth and baseline datasets that have been optimized for cloud computing. At the moment, WeatherBench 2 is primarily focused on global medium range 15-day forecasting. However, The research team has plans to expand its capabilities to include evaluation and baselines for other types of weather forecasting, such as nowcasting and short-term 24-hour, and long-term 15-plus day prediction. When it comes to evaluating weather predictions, it's not as simple as just looking at a single score. Different users may have varying preferences, with one person prioritizing average temperature, while another might be more concerned about wind gusts. That's why WeatherBench 2 includes a range of metrics to capture different aspects of weather accuracy. With the introduction of WeatherBench 2, the hope is to enable more standardized and objective evaluations of weather prediction models, ultimately leading to more reliable and precise forecasts for everyone. There's a fascinating new study that just came out about an AI system that can predict the smell of a compound based on its molecular structure. Yep, you heard that right. This AI, developed by the folks at startup Osmo, can actually analyze the structure of a compound and assign it one of 55 descriptive words to describe its smell. How cool is that? Now, you might be wondering why this is such a big deal. Well, think about it. This breakthrough could have some major implications for industries like food and cleaning products, where synthetic scents are everywhere. Being able to accurately predict how a compound will smell could really help enhance these industries and make their products even better. It's all about creating those pleasing aromas that we all love. What's really interesting about this AI system is that its predictions often align more closely with human consensus than any individual guess. That's pretty impressive. It shows just how robust and reliable this system is. But of course, there's still more work to be done. The next step for this research is to figure out how different odorants mix and compete to create a smell that our brains identify as unique. And let me tell you, that's no easy task. Even with just a small set of odorants, there are so many possible combinations to consider. As Stuart Firestein, a neurobiologist at Columbia University, puts it, predicting what a mix smells like is the next frontier. It's definitely a challenge, but I have no doubt that these brilliant researchers will figure it out. OpenAI recently published a guide for teachers interested in incorporating ChatGPT into their classrooms. This comprehensive guide offers suggested prompts, explanations of ChatGPT's functionalities and limitations, and insights into AI detectors and bias. It also features success stories from educators who have used ChatGPT to enhance student learning. Additionally, OpenAI's FAQ section provides further resources and answers common questions about teaching with and about AI. Meta, on the other hand, made two notable announcements. Firstly, they have commercially relicensed and expanded Dynov 2, a computer vision model, under the Apache 2.0 license. Secondly, they introduced FACET, Fairness in Computer Vision Evaluation, a benchmark for assessing the fairness of computer vision models. FACET includes a data set of 32,000 images, with annotations of 50,000 people, enabling the evaluation of biases against different classes. Speak, an AI-backed language learning app, recently secured $16 million in Series B2 funding. This investment will support the app's expansion into new markets, including the United States. Speak leverages AI technology, such as OpenAI's GPT-4 text-generating model and Whisper API for multilingual speech recognition. By offering personalized and contextual feedback, Speak has gained popularity in South Korea, and it differentiates itself by providing affordable language education. Dell Technologies has raised its revenue and profit forecasts for the year due to increased demand for AI and the recovery of computer hardware and server product markets. The company's shares have risen by 8% in extended trading. Samsung has launched an AI-powered food and recipe app available in 104 countries and 8 languages. Compatible with Samsung smartphones and smart home appliances, the app boasts a database of over 160,000 recipes. Users can discover new dishes, create personalized meal plans, and even order ingredients online. Furthermore, the app provides step-by-step guidance to help users prepare their culinary creations. Samsung partnered with Whisk, a smart food platform, to develop this innovative app. Lastly, IBM and Salesforce have joined forces to drive trustworthy AI adoption in customer relationship management, CRM. IBM Consulting will leverage its industry expertise and delivery models to guide clients in utilizing Salesforce's AI technologies, such as Einstein, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and Slack. Clients will have access to AI experience and implementation accelerators through IBM Consulting Managed Services for Salesforce. The collaboration aims to enhance productivity, foster growth, and deliver personalized customer experiences. Hey there, AI Unraveled podcast listeners. I've got some exciting news for you. If you're curious about artificial intelligence and want to dive deeper into its ins and outs, then I've got the perfect recommendation for you. It's a must-read book called AI Unraveled: Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence by Etienne Noumen. This book is the go-to resource for unraveling the mysteries of AI. Whether you're a beginner or already have some knowledge on the subject, this book will help you expand your understanding of artificial intelligence. It covers all those burning questions you may have, helping to demystify the topic in a straightforward and accessible way. The best part? You can grab a copy of AI Unraveled from popular platforms like Shopify, Apple, Google, or Amazon today. So, no matter where you prefer to shop, you can easily get your hands on this essential book. With its detailed insights and informative approach, it's a valuable addition to any AI enthusiast collection. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your knowledge of artificial intelligence. Head to Shopify, Apple, Google, or Amazon now and start unraveling the secrets of AI with AI Unraveled: Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence by Etienne Noumen. In today's podcast, we discussed OpenAI's guide for teachers using ChatGPT in the classroom, Google DeepMind's call for AI standards enforcement, the use of AI to tackle the opioid crisis, Google AI's WeatherBench 2 framework for weather forecasting, AI's ability to predict smells, recent developments from OpenAI, Meta, Dell, Samsung, IBM, and Salesforce, and the ease of starting a podcast with the help of the Wondercraft AI platform. Join us next time on AI Unraveled as we continue to demystify frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence and bring you the latest trends in AI, including ChatGPT advancements and the exciting collaboration between Google Brain and DeepMind. Stay informed, stay curious, and don't forget to subscribe for more.